In this video, we will learn how to open Google Drive quickly in Google Sheet. So let's start. Open your Google Sheets and here you can see, just click on the File tab and click on the Open option. You can see here the Open. I just click on the Open and here you can see the Open a file, the recent My Drive. In My Drive, you can choose the file those you want to open. So select the folder and you can select your file those you want to open. Okay, just go back in another folder and here you can see the all file which are available in your drive. You can just select it and double click on it and to open here the file. You don't need to go again in Google Drive and select the file and open it. You can open from here also. Okay, you can use the shortcut key also, Control O, to open a file. Okay, so you can select your file and you can open it. Okay, so that's it. Hope you understand. If you like, please subscribe. Thank you so much.